Day 25 of the retrial of Karen Read began with testimony from Jonathan Diamandis, a childhood friend of former Massachusetts State Police trooper Michael Proctor, the case's lead investigator. Diamandis read aloud messages where Proctor called Read a whack job, used a vulgar slur, commented on her appearance, no ass, and stated, "Zero chance she's skating, she's FD." Proctor also texted that proving Read intentionally hit O'Keefe was another animal we won't be able to prove.
Next, former Canton police officer Kelly Deaver took the stand and exhibited animosity and expressed confusion about her summons, stating, "I have no idea why I'm here. I have no connection to this case." Defense attorney Jackson probed whether she saw ATF agent Brian Higgins and former Canton police chief Kenneth Berkowitz alone with Read's SUV, as she had previously told the FBI. Deaver said she felt pressured and threatened by the defense team about potential perjury charges, insisting, "I'm here to tell the truth."
The bulk of the day featured the testimony of Dr. Marie Russell, an emergency physician and forensic pathologist billed as a defense dog bite expert.
Russell stated O'Keefe's arm wounds showed evidence of multiple strikes from a dog, characterized as incomplete bites that didn't penetrate deep tissue, but showed signs of occurring before death. She analyzed holes in O'Keefe's clothing, stating one round hole with protruding fabric was made by a canine tooth.
Crucially, Russell asserted O'Keefe's injuries were inconsistent with being hit by a vehicle. Comparing his wounds to a case study presented by a prosecution crash expert, Russell noted O'Keefe lacked the extensive skin loss and damage to the subcutaneous tissue typical in such impacts.
Russell stated that her degree of certainty about a dog attack increased after further research, though she initially avoided absolute terms because, in medicine, nothing is 100%. The cross-examination grew heated, leading Judge Canone to excuse the jury temporarily during a dispute over how Brennan was phrasing questions about the consistency of Russell's opinions. Court adjourned for the day while Russell was still under cross-examination. She is scheduled to return to the stand Tuesday.
The prosecution rested its case last week. The defense began presenting its witnesses on Friday.